So on X, this guy posted girlfriend of late South African musician aka steps out with new man on Val's Day. And then Updated Boys replied and said that to those saying nonsense, aka lost his then fiance in 2021 and started moving with this lady right here in 2022, aka died in 2023 and this is 2026. Let her enjoy. It's normal to move on. And as you guys can remember, aka started dating Anele Tembe, if I'm not mistaken, because I did my research in 2020 leading to 2021, where she tragically lost her life. And right the following year, he started dating Nadia Nakai. And I guess people never questioned him on why people seemed, according to societal standards, that he moved on very quickly, right? And they dated for a long time, I think since 2023, where he also tragically lost his life. So Nadia Nakai and Otto Mosgavi were rumored to be dating because they took out a song together and they seemed to be quite close and a bit intimate with each other and comfortable, like them, right? And they have both not confirmed or denied. I mean, PR in South Africa is insane. But even if she is dating this man, I feel like it is in her right to move on. It's been a long time and girl took her time, like 3 years. 3 years is a long time to mourn someone, especially when you were not married to that person. But I believe that she definitely saw a future with him and God literally called AKA's name, and I feel like it's okay to move on. And we cannot control how people moan and how long they moan. Some people within months they already started seeing people, some people after a year, like AKA did. It depends on how you move on from that and how long you can heal from that. No one can choose for you. And I am in full support of Nadia Nakai. She can move on. I am in support of her. She must move on with her life. Honestly, I believe that AKA would want her to be happy. And if seeing her being in a relationship being happy, you know what? I call it a spade, but we'll wait for them to confirm or deny the rumors and I'll update you guys. So please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you on my next video.